What you need to do is be thankful for the life you
Stories, and today we're going to show you how to fix an Xbox 360. Xbox 360 with the 3 LED lights. Okay, performing the fix will be myself, Stories, and my assistant, Mr. Razors. Razors, would you like to show them how to fix an Xbox 360?
Take your axe like this, mark your cut, right about there, and
Wait. Oh, shit. And just to show you, it is an Xbox 360. I mean, I don't know if you can read that, but go ahead.
then you take it again, and make a nice big hole right there. That rattling should not be there.
Yeah.
That's a problem.
Now I'm going to show you how to fix the Xbox 360. The Stories method. You got a good picture of it?
Hang on. The guts.
You got a good picture. Oh, it's steady. Got it?
Razors, you're putting it. Ow! Oh God! People watching! Oh God! Oh God! He's going for it again! Oh God! Ah, my ass! Fuck! Ow! Shit! Ow!
This, folks, is how the Xbox 360 should look once it's prop. Oh no! Wait, we are not done yet. See this? That's why Xbox 360 sucks. Okay.
I have a question for all the viewers at home.
Yo, piss on this shit.
Hang on.
You're so gay.
Hang on. I'm not done yet, folks. This is Razors and Sick Nasty Murder here.
AKA Stories. Today,
Oh shit, I keep calling you Sick Nasty. Why'd you change your gamer tag, dickface?
fixing this. Today, and how to fix Razor so his head stops coming off his shoulder. That's next. Alright, first we have our Xbox 360. There's a copy of this shit fast. That's cool. We have our Xbox 360. Razors. We have our Xbox 360.
What's left?
Well, what's left of it anyway?
Gotcha.
The horrible disk drive.
Ow, my eye! I think it's dead. May it rest in peace.
This, friends,
Oh wait, this guy.
is why you do not buy Xbox 360s.
Razor's little friend.
The fucking heat sink that's chilling in the ground. I mean, honestly, folks of YouTube, does this look like something you honestly want to spend $400, $200, $300 on? I mean, seriously, what kind of piece of shit is this breakable? I mean,
Hell,
and the disk drive,
yes, screws are on the spot.
I mean, shit. All I did was drop it. So this has been Stories, reminding you, don't do drugs and don't buy Xbox.